Hey friends, Tux here. For this particular video, I want to talk about phone cases and the importance of phone cases. When you have a phone, it's kind of like a mini computer. It's a little investment that you don't want to lose. And nothing is more irritating than accidentally dropping your phone, and you know you're going to. It's going to happen. You don't want to drop your phone, and you don't want to crack that screen. It could be hundreds of dollars to fix it, and I have a simple solution. The simple solution is a great case. Okay, before us we have three different cases, and they are the dual guard for the Samsung Ultra 22, okay? And then we have the slim guard for the Ultra 22, and then we have another dual guard for the Ultra 22. So you can kind of help me pick out which one you think is best. Let's go ahead and we'll open the slim guard first here. On the back, I just talk about some of the features. It is ultra slim, which is really great. I personally love ultra slim cases. Nice and lightweight, easy to slide in your pocket. It's not like some kind of big brick, you know, but at the same time, you gotta have a good one. If you have the wrong brand, or if it's too cheap, it's not going to help you out when it falls. But this one, this is great. It has shock absorption. We'll talk more about that in just a little bit. Precise cutouts, okay? That's kind of for the corners. It makes it help absorb that shock and that impact if it hits the ground. And premium quality. Quality really means a lot. If you go to the dollar store and buy a ultra slim case, it's like having nothing on, okay? You want to have something which is going to protect your investment. These phones can be like $1,000, again, $1,400. They can be a lot. I've talked about this before in the past, and it's the type of thing where you don't want to have your phone break on you. It's a real problem for me, I know, if I'm having to touch that cracked screen. Super annoying. Also on the back here, it talks about some of the features, it being strong. Okay, at Crave, they really want to help protect your phone. They want to make sure the cases are not just attractive, you know, but they want to make sure they're strong, you know, which is really good. Reliable. They design products which will help make sure they keep their reputation of being a leader in phone cases, you know, and that's excellent and protective. Unbeatable warranty. Okay, so they're there for you, and they'll make sure that your case stays functional and good. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up here. We'll grab a scissors if we need it. Oh no, looks like we're good. And we'll pop this open here. There we go. And inside here is the black case. I like the way they actually have it with a little piece of foam here to keep it nice and protected. So this is how it comes direct from the factory. And a few key things to call out here. The back here has a nice kind of a texturized feel, so that's a little grippier if you're holding onto it, which is really nice. The sides themselves are kind of rubbery, okay, so this is more of a harder plastic for impact, okay, but the sides here are a little more rubbery, so they can take some of that absorption. If they hit the ground, if they hit the corner, it's going to take that hit for you and not pass the impact, the pressure off to the phone itself, okay, which is really important. And of course, we have all the normal cutouts. Now, it's really easy to put this one in. We're going to take our Samsung S22 Ultra and just kind of pop it in here, okay? You can see the cutouts are everything you need here, so we'll pop this one in. It goes in super easy. There's a little bit of a click when you pop it in all the way, which I like that a lot. The buttons themselves, you can definitely feel that. That's a nice springy button. It does not feel like it's hard to press, and it definitely is responsive, as you can see. Of course, we have volume up, volume down here, okay? Plus, minus, and power. On the top here, we have a little hole for the microphone, which is good. Over here, there's no button. It just has kind of an indentation to hold for your thumb, I guess, so you can hold on to it. And again, the sides and the outside here have a little extra grip to them. You see little lines and stuff to make sure it's extra good and grippy to hold on to, because of course you don't want to drop your phone. And on the bottom here, very important for the S22, there's a point here for the pen, so the pen can come out very easily, okay? Some cases have a real problem with the pen, but these guys do not. Crave is excellent as far as making sure the pen's going to fit right in. And of course, a hole for the charger and a hole for the little speaker there. So very good stuff. I'm not going to drop the phone, but this looks really sharp, guys. I'm digging how it looks. Looking good. Love the texturized back. Love the little sides here, the nice grippiness of it. Hopefully the camera's focusing here good for me. There we go. Focus, focus. And then, of course, the top here looks good. Looks good in black. What do you think? You think I should go with black? It looks good, but you know what? We got two more phones to check out here, so let's go ahead and try all three of them. I do like black a lot, though. We'll put that to the side, and I'm going to pull this off. You can see it comes off quite easily, too. You just pull the edges, and it just kind of pops right off. And next up, let's go ahead and let's try the silver one here. Let's see what this is about. Now, this one here is a dual guard, okay? And it has, you know, features here on the back, just like before. And let's see the difference in this one versus the black one. We'll pop this open here. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay, I like this. So this one here does have a little bit of an edge here. This does have a lot of little pressure points on the inside. You see these little lines here? This is to kind of help absorb a little bit more of that shock, which is really good. This is a slightly heavier case, but not really. It's still a nice light case. You can see the cases, compare them. This is just a little more pronounced with the grooves on the inside. The back of it, instead of just having like a plastic inside, it does have a rubbery coating. Okay, so you can see there's like the black plastic here. The power button and the volume up down are kind of silver, so they're definitely more noticeable, I think. And then of course we have all the normal holes, but this feels really good. Let me go ahead and pop the phone in here so you get the full experience. Well, just give that a little pop in. Of course, my Samsung, it's very fingerprinty. There we go. And, oh, it's going to go to the camera. I don't want to shoot around the room here. Okay, so here we are. So we have this. I'll do the fingerprint. There we go, and we'll go back to the white screen here. So the back side here, check that out. That is really cool. I'm definitely digging this Crave logo here, and this whole backside is very rubbery and texturized, so this is really good for gripping onto. I also love the way it has a little black accent around the camera port here, so this is really cool. Loving that. And of course the volume up down button, nice and silver, very easy to see. I talk about it sometimes on my MP3 videos about being able to like hit the buttons while you're driving in the car or whatever, and these are really pronounced. Feels very clicky, feels very functional. Definitely something you can do easily while driving. Maybe you're at a stoplight, okay? I don't want to condone like driving and playing with your phone. And definitely feels good all through here. And this backside is really nice. Listen to this. It kind of sounds like a Sony Xperia. Has a nice little texturized feel to it, so you can tell it's nice and grippy. That'd be really good for holding on to in the rain, and it looks sharp. I'm definitely digging how that looks. Very cool. This might be the one, guys. The silver looks really good. Let me know what you think, okay? And let's go ahead and try the third one here, and you can see how this pops out. We're just gonna pull a corner here to get it started, and this just lifts right out. And again, I really like the extra protection on the inside, so if it hits the ground, it's going to help take a little bit of that hit for you, which is really nice because you don't want your phone to take that and have a screen crack. And here's the third one here. This is the kind of brownish color. Let's see what this is all about. Oh, wait. This almost looks pinky here. Oh, my God. It looks cool. Look at that, guys. I play Diva in Overwatch, so I am not afraid to sport something pink, man. Looking good. Love the buttons. This is much like this one. It has that extra protection on the inside. You can see the little shiny pressure points in through here. And the backside here, very, very grippy and good. That is cool, guys. This looks kind of like a rose color. I was thinking it was more bronze, but it definitely looks a little more kind of rose. Not full-on pink, but just a really nice shade, actually. Kind of a flesh tone, if you will. Okay, let's go ahead and pop the phone in here and check this out. There we go. And looking good. I mean, I like the way the light reflects from the white into the different colors here. And, of course, you get the two-tone around the camera, which looks really good. Same thing, microphone. The side looks good. And, of course, real grippy back here. And then I just love doing that. In the rain, if it is raining, I can tell you having a texturized back is so important. It will keep your case in your hand. It's really, really good. And then here, of course, the buttons you can see very pronounced with the chrome accents. That looks excellent. And on the bottom here, let's do the pen test here. This will be the same as the other dual action. You can see the pen comes right out. No problems. Nothing is interfering. Nothing is blocking. It is looking good. We got power. We got speaker. Everything you need. And that's a nice looking case. And we got the Crave word right there. So what one do you think is best? I think the black one is cool. But you know what? I think I like the extra grip of the dual guard. So I think I'm gonna have to go with one of these two. Let me know which one you think I should use, okay? And of course, we will be at Pokemon Go Fest in New York coming up a few months down the road, and I'll probably have some other Crave products with me. And you'll probably see me sporting one of these colors. You pick it, guys. Should I take the silver to New York, or should I take this one here, the pink flesh tone to New York? You guys can decide, okay? All right. I want to thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And check out their products. Again, I'll have a link for these, all three of these, actually, right below. So be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com. But a lot to love in these guys. They make great cases. They've been around for a long time. I've used their products in the past, and I love the way they look, and I love the way they feel. They just feel secure in your hand, and they don't feel so bulky. It's like a brick in your pocket, you know? So anyway, check it out, guys. Again, link down below. Great protection at a great price, okay? We'll talk to you soon, friends. Bye-bye. Click the link.